Hi stamping friends, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. I have a bunch of fun information to share with you. I've got about 12 cards to show you. Now we're not going to do any stamping today, it's a lot of show and tell. And I want to talk to you about something brand new that I'm going to do for the summer months. It's kind of my test period. If it goes well, we'll continue doing it. But over the summer for 3 months, I'm going to do an online stamping class. Now each class is going to be different each month. We're going to debut it from the first or on the first of each month. And you'll have up until the 10th of the month to order. Now June's a little bit of an exception because the new catalog doesn't go live to June 4th. So you'll have from the 4th to the 10th to order it. The other months will be the 1st to the 10th. And each time it will feature a suite of projects or products. I keep mixing those words up. Stampin' Up, as you know in the past, and they've done it even more so this year, they like to put products together that go together and work together. And this year, some of the suites are fabulous. So the class will focus around a suite of products. So you purchase the products, and then for the online class, it's 6 unique projects, and I will give you step-by-step tutorial that goes with it, along with a video, and I will go through all 6 of those cards, maybe not stamp them all, but give you lots of tips and hints and teach you some things so that you can make these projects. When I post all the information about the class, it'll show everything that you need to purchase to make the cards exactly like the tutorial. Now, you can substitute stuff, so if you want to do that, that's fine. But the best part is this class is going to be completely free. If you order in the time frame, the 1st through the 10th, if you order online with at least a $50 order, I'm going to send you the class completely free. Now, there's not a card kit involved, but I'm going to have all the card recipes so you can easily cut your own cardstock for it, and then you can make all the cards you want. And then I'm going to also give you 6 bonus projects. So you're really going to get 12 tutorials for 12 completely unique cards, all using that same suite of products. My goal is always to make sure when you buy products that you use them a lot and that you stamp a lot and that you make a lot of different things with it. So that's the whole goal of these classes. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Now, I'm going to show you the June class or some of the projects. Plus, I've got more because I've made 12 cards with this suite of products already. Now, these aren't all in the class, but they're ones I'm going to show you. Out of this brand new catalog. If you have not received the catalog yet and you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to send you a copy. Hop on over to my website. Up at the top, you can click on Request a Catalog, and I'd be happy to send you one. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera down. I want to show you a little bit more what the class looks like, along with a bunch of other products or projects using the Bird Ballad Suite, which is absolutely my favorite out of this brand new catalog. So let's flip the camera down. Got a lot going on here to share with you guys, but what I want to start with is just show you a little bit about what the tutorial looks like. I kind of use the same format as other tutorials that I do, and it is all about making it as easy as possible. So like I said, there will be 6 cards that are the class cards, okay, the class projects. You'll get pictures, you'll get all the instructions, step-by-step tutorial. We've got some fancy folds going. This is a window card. I think another one's a fancy fold of the 6. And then I'll do a video as well that'll go through all 6 of these cards, giving you tips. Now, like I said, we're using the Bird Ballad Suite to kick this program off. Beautiful. The images in the stamp set color beautifully with Stampin' Blends. Before I talk about the blends, let's just look at the stamp set a little bit. The stamp set is called Free as a Bird. Love it. Love the words, love the images. And it's bundled with the label, the stitched label dies. I'm not sure the exact correct word for it, but these are something that are going to become a standard. You're going to use these in all of your stamping, not just with this. You're going to fall in love with them, I promise. They're gorgeous. And then the suite also consists of the Designer Series paper, and I've just got some pieces here for you to see, as well as some beautiful lace trim that I have here, some trinkets. I'm trying to think what else is all in the suite. I have it all listed for you. You'll see it all in the blog post. But again, you purchase the products you need to make the cards. And the main thing that you're going to need is the Designer Series paper. You're going to need the stamp set bundle. along with the framelits. And again, the blog posts will have this, but what's one thing that Stampin' Up! That they've done in their catalog that's super cool is these suites of products. They've put them together into a ginormous bundle. So one ordering number and you can pick up the whole suite at one time. So I highly recommend the whole suite to do these cards, but you can look at it and decide. Now let's look at the cards. So this here are 3 of the cards that are part of the class. Like I said, there's 6 cards. So you will get all the tutorials for these, the instructions. They're all colored with Stampin' Blends. So the video is really going to concentrate on teaching you quick and easy coloring with the Stampin' Blends. I have fallen in love with coloring using these blends. They're just so easy. This one here is a window card. So you'll get all the tutorials. Here's 3 of the 6, so there's going to be 3 more. 3 of them are going to be a surprise. So there's 3, and then you will also get the bonus tutorials of 6 more projects. So you're going to have 12 ideas all using these same products that are part of the Bird Ballads suite. So that's how the class is going to work. Now remember, you get this completely free with a $50 online order between June 1st or 4th actually, because that's when the catalog starts, to June 10th. And there's a special host code, the online kit host code. So make sure you use that. Or if your order is $150, don't use the code, because I want you to also get Stampin' Rewards. And then you just have to make sure you email me to request the class. Now, if you don't want to place an order, especially if you're a demonstrator, you can also purchase the class. The class is going to be just $20 for all 12 tutorials plus the video. So that option's available as well. Now let's put these aside, and I just want to show you a few other projects. See, I keep mixing those words up. Projects that I've made with the products in this suite. I started playing with some note cards and envelopes. You know me, I like the note cards and envelopes. I decorated the envelope with some of the Designer Series paper, and I just covered the front of it with the Designer Series paper. Added a greeting. Here's that lace trim. Super quick and easy. But I thought these were just adorable. So these I made. Now all of these projects I'll have featured on my blog over the next coming months, you know, along with the recipes and details and probably even some videos. But I wanted to just show you how awesome this suite is. So here's another one that I made. You know, these stitch labels are just fabulous. And all of these again were colored with the Stampin' Blends. Okay, we always got to finish off the inside. So super cute. All the greetings that I used were with it. Again, here's a nice use of those labels. And then this is a fun fold. It opens up like so. And you can see a lot of use of labels on this one. So this was kind of to serve as a sneak peek of the upcoming class. You'll be able to begin ordering this on June 4th. I have all the details over on my blog right now, but you can't order these products until June 4th. So I'll remind you on June 4th of it as well. Make sure you place that order in my store using the online stamping class code so I can send you the online class for free. And then we took a peek at some of the other projects. So the new catalog's fabulous, guys. Again, if you don't have one or you don't have a demonstrator sending you one, let me know. I'd love to send you a catalog and be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I have so much to share with you in the coming months. There's so many new stamps and products in the catalog. I can't wait. So until I stamp with you and I get to share some of the new things with you next week, have a stamp happy day.